Sudden fire. Fire system malfunctions. Lives and property are at serious risk. Identify the negligence. Insufficient and irregular follow-up and inspection of fire systems. Outdated fire equipment and systems. Disorganized work teams and poor equipment allocation. Low quality equipment. Delays in preventive maintenance of fire equipment. The consequence? Increased risk to lives and properties. The solution? Here's the decision to move towards more safety, accurate monitoring, continuous tracking, fire equipment, protection, management, safety, digital. Fire equipment is a user-friendly digital system designed to manage and organize fire and safety equipment within workspaces efficiently. It safeguards people and property while proactively preventing future incidents. The system enables comprehensive building management through display screens, allowing you to map the building, compile a comprehensive list of all equipment, schedule and organize inspection lists, efficiently allocate work teams and set up inspection schedules, continuously monitor and manage internal inspection systems, track and follow up on maintenance contracts with external companies, maintain a complete, detailed record of all systems and equipment, identify issues and take appropriate corrective actions. Now you can smoothly manage and monitor the entire building's workflow, maintain comprehensive records and reports, control and adjust maintenance schedules, send and receive alerts, and keep a complete record. Fire equipment. Now you will have an organized, secure, and connected workplace. FEMS, a system by Safety Plus.